Reliable power is essential, especially when you're off the grid or on the move. Introducing the SolarCrew Solar Panel Charger, an ultra-portable, magnetic, foldable solar charger with an integrated battery, allowing you to charge your devices using solar energy efficiently. Its highly sensitive panels work even in the shade, ensuring a consistent power supply. Charge cell phones, power banks, speakers, and earbuds, or add more panels for extra power. With a slim, lightweight design, just 1/10 of an inch thick, it's easy to carry and hook onto your bag. Built with durable, scratch-resistant, and water-resistant materials, the SolarCrew is the perfect companion for adventures, travel, and everyday use. Capturing high-quality footage in any environment requires a camera that's built for adventure. The VN09 camera is a rugged, high-performance sports camera designed to record in stunning 5K resolution with a 145-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its IP67 waterproof and dustproof design makes it perfect for any conditions, while the night vision and built-in flashlight enhance visibility in low light. With 7-language voice control, you can operate it hands-free, and the 3,350 mAh battery delivers up to 5 hours of runtime. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, road trips, or daily adventures, the VN09 ensures every detail is recorded with clarity and precision. Carrying daily essentials should be effortless, secure, and stylish. Introducing the Simple's Subtle Sling Bag, a sleek, sustainable, and highly functional companion for urban explorers and travelers. Crafted from durable, water-resistant materials, it offers RFID-safe protection, magnetic closures, and a gutter opening for added security. Designed for on-the-go convenience, it features a self-retracting key cable, dual wireless charging pass-through, expandable base, and intuitive internal compartments for seamless organization. Additional perks include a USB flash drive bracelet, bottle opener, and hanging bar. With a quick lock and release toggle and on-the-fly adjustability, this low-tech yet innovative sling bag balances practicality and versatility. It is available in 4 stylish colors. Visibility and brightness are crucial in challenging environments. The Rodman flashlight is a powerful, high-performance lighting tool designed for extreme conditions. Featuring 3 advanced lamp beads, it delivers an impressive 12,240 lumens at peak output and a standard 3,515 lumens for everyday use. With a 120-degree irradiation range and 417 meters beam distance, it ensures clear, far-reaching illumination. The 8,000 mAh battery provides long-lasting runtime, while 7 adjustable modes cater to different lighting needs. To prevent overheating, an integrated cooling fan enhances performance and longevity. Whether for outdoor adventures, night work, or emergencies, this innovative, durable flashlight guarantees unmatched brightness and reliability in any setting. A reliable and versatile air pump is essential for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Introducing the GoPump Portable Air Pump, a 5-in-1 powerhouse, functioning as a fast air pump for inflatables, 2,500 amperes, 12-volt car jump starter, 20,800 mAh power bank, high beam flashlight, and 6-mode LED camping light. It inflates tires in just 1.5 minutes and automatically stops when finished. The jump starter can restart a 12-volt car in 1 to 3 seconds, with over 50 start cycles per charge. Equipped with USB-A, 100-watt USB-C, and 10-ampere DC ports, it keeps devices powered. With 1,500 to 2,000 lumens of brightness, dual 350-lumen LED flashlights, and 6 lighting modes, it's perfect for nighttime use.